Here's a new trending app. It's called Scoopz, real life, real video. You can see it's quite fast growing to the top charts of categories in US App Store. And this app is kind of alternative to TikTok in US. So I don't know what, yeah, but here you just have like very similar interface to TikTok. It's kind of very minimalistic version of TikTok. There are much less functionality, but yeah, it just does the main thing. You just have this short vertical videos. That's it. And yeah, I guess it's American app, so I guess a lot of creators and users just not sure what will happen to TikTok after they pass this law in US Congress. You know, TikTok basically has like around 1 year either to sell itself to US company or otherwise it will be banned in US. So a lot of creators and people just not sure what's gonna happen. It might be that TikTok will be just banned in US. So this is kind of a law right now in US. So there are a lot of alternatives popping up. And this is one of those like Scoopz app. So with Scoopz, you're not just an audience, you're a creator, share your video stories, offer insights and unveil experiences that can inspire, inform, or simply entertain. It's a platform to express what's real and relevant to you and your community. Simplified, streamlined. So yeah, that's the app which you can try. So the main focus right now is on the news from this app. That's like the main category. But yeah, you can just open it up and then you just have, again, you just have For You tab where you can just follow all these creators. Then you can just search for different things like whatever, some different videos, life hacks. You can just follow people. Here then you can just go to account. You can see there is like decent amount of followers already in this app, so it's not some like niche app without any traction. Nope, there are a lot of users. Like this guy has like almost 88,000 followers, and then you have it here. So share this profile, you can share it. So share the link, you can see all the videos. Well, the video is not getting yet like, hundreds, thousands, millions of views, but it's a good start. There are reactions, and that's basically how it looks
This
like.
guy's
And
sneak.
then you have notifications, a lot of notifications around different just news stories. And then you just have your content. Here it is. And then you have your content, your actions, and then your history. And then basically you can earn with this app. It just says that there is a new creator fund with the Scoopz app. So apply to earn money on videos through the creator fund. Explore the Scoopz creator program to earn money. So there is also you need to select your country. So this is, and then just I guess you need to connect your bank account or a Stripe account. So I have no idea. Stripe on, so probably it's just Stripe. And then there are some community guidelines. So yeah, this app is going quite fast. You need to have followers, like these are requirements. So you need to have at least 3,000 followers. You need to have this amount of views in the past 30 days. So it's quite a lot, right? So is it like it's like 1 million views, I guess, right? No, wait, just trying to. So yeah, 1 million views. You can enter a referral code here. If fellow creator shares the code with you, it's because they believe you local can benefit. So you can also just use this. And then you just have it here. So that's the thing. And then videos. So yep, that's the idea how you can apply. So this app is really developing quite fast, and maybe it's a good idea if you're a TikTok creator just to create some kind of backup account on this app, or maybe just start creating also on this app. You can find some very nice niche audience and here. So then you also have creator dashboard, so you can see like the amount of views, the amount of followers. Then you can see again your locations. primary location. You can delete your account in the bottom. So yep, in the nutshell, that's the app. You can then just post some content. So for example, if I want to upload some video, I just make a lot of videos about apps. If you can notice, so for example, if I just try to upload it here, so then here it is, and then caption, just an example. Then you can add a location, you can edit cover, and then you can just posting, upload complete. By the way, I don't know what is the limitation of like how many seconds, minutes you can post here. Is it like 10 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes or so? So just have no idea about it. But yeah, that's basically what it is, as you can see here. So that's just what you have. And yeah, so as you can see, that's now I just posted videos. So super fast, super easy. And then you just have it here. So yep, that's the idea. So try it out. It's a pretty cool app. And like, you know, if you want to edit your profile, you see it here. So you can edit your photo, you can add your website. So you can just add your website link, just, you know, for some promotion, just add some like, you know, bit.ly link or whatever you're using, some just link with all your links, whatever, Instagram bio link. And then yeah, that's what it is. So pretty cool app. You know, it's very simple to use. There are not like 20,000 filters as it is on TikTok, but it's very nicely done. It's not that glitchy. It's getting more traction. So, you know, quite a cool app. If you're looking for some TikTok alternative, that definitely one of the top contestants in this space. So you can see it's really climbing quite high in all these charts recently. So yeah, just again, give it a try. Write me in the comments, what do you think? What do you think about this app? And yeah, let's keep in touch. If you like this video, please just like it, because the more you like, for every like, I receive additional 10 views. So that would be super helpful. It's just super easy for you to like. Press the like button. Also, you can just subscribe. That would be really awesome. You can also join my membership. I create some handy tutorials. You can also just push the notification bell if you wanna. So yeah, just depends what you like, and that's what it is. So yeah, again, thank you for watching, guys. Follow my channel, visit my website mrhack.io about different app tutorials and things. So thanks for watching.